Trinidad. So I preceded them. And I did my certificate in 1976, and then in 77 I started and moved on to the degree. And then he joined and he brought the boys. Marshall was 2 and Marcus was 4. And he sent them to school right here in Jamaica. Marcus, the bigger boy, went to Hope Valley Experimental in Augusta, where they had normal children going to school with children who were paraplegics. And then Marshall went to Mona Heights Basic, a little kindergarten just a few streets away from where we live. And they stayed here, and we went home in 1988. And then 2 years later, he went into music. When he was here, when he started, he was one of the wise men in the nativity play. Yeah, he wrote his first poem here and everything, and I think he fell in love with